What is up YouTube? Matt McKeever here. In today's video we're going to be talking about the best Canadian cashback credit cards. So I've already done a video, you've maybe seen it. That video was focused on free cards. So literally cards that have no fees, no restrictions, none of that stuff, no limits. It literally just free credit cards. Now in today's video we're going to be looking at credit cards that do have annual fees, but their rewards are higher. So obviously it's really going to come down to a personal situation decision for yourself on whether you're better served by going the free route where there's no annual fee, or maybe looking into one of these credit cards which does include an annual fee. Again, this is not a sponsored video. This is just based upon my own personal due diligence, trying to get to the bottom of what are the best credit cards for Canadians. I've been noticing my buddy Graham Stephan, he's doing a lot of videos for Americans on credit cards, but there's not nearly as much content out there for us Canucks. So I'm going to try and fix that. If you guys are enjoying this series of videos, what I need you to do is jump in that comment section, leave me a Canadian flag or a thumbs up or a hey buddy.
Hey buddy.
Whatever you want to do, but regardless, give us some feedback, because again, we really want to provide you guys value by making 366 videos this year in 2020. So anyways, let's just dive into it. In my opinion, when it comes to credit cards, you're best served by using the KISS principle. Now, this is the keep it simple, stupid concept. Again, there's a lot of complicated credit cards that work on Mondays but not Tuesdays, or only on this spending category or that. And I know there's tons of personal finance gurus out there coaching you. I know that there's people that literally get paid to be credit card coaches. Yeah. Let that sink in. That's way too much complexity, in my opinion, for something that should be a simple rewards card. And what I love about cashback is it's extremely straightforward. We don't have to worry about points expiring or being reevaluated, or they only can be cashed in on this day or this month or this time frame. That's way too complicated. I don't even want my businesses that complicated, let alone have my credit card strategy be that complicated. So we're going to focus on 3 of the best, absolute best Canadian cashback credit cards that you should be considering when you're going out there and getting a new credit card. So the number 1 here on the list is the TD Cashback Visa Infinite. So in this case, we're looking at 3% cashback on grocery and gas. That's a major spending category for the average Canadian. 1% on the rest. We're looking at a $120 fee, but your first year is free. You'll find that's very common with credit cards, that the first year they'll waive the fee because, hey, they just want to get you signed up. Then we've also got insurance coverage. If you guys want more details on this credit card, I'm going to break it down for you in the video description. But if you guys currently are using any of these credit cards, let us know in that comment section and tell us the truth. Are you enjoying this credit card? Do you think that you're getting value from it? All that good stuff. Now, the second credit card we're going to be looking at is the Scotia Momentum Visa Infinite. So again, we're noticing a pattern. We got Visa Infinite here from TD and one from Scotia. This one, we're 4% on grocery and reoccurring bills. So things like your cell phone bill, cable bill, satellite, all that. Ask your parents what cable is. 2% gas and daily transit. So again, that's fantastic if you're doing a lot of commuting. 1% on the rest, and then we're looking at another $120 fee. Again, it's going to be free for the first year. Very common with credit cards. And in addition, we do get some insurance coverage. So really, looking at these 2 cards, the biggest question I got for you is gas or groceries the biggest spending category for you? If it's gas, then there's a good argument that the TD Infinite card is going to be better serving for you. Or if you're doing way more spending on the grocery side of things, then I think the Scotia Momentum Infinite card is probably your better bet. But we do have an American Express on this list as well. One thing to be aware, as a Canadian, American Express is not nearly as widely accepted as MasterCard or Visa, so you'll need to take that into consideration. But the SimplyCash Preferred card from American Express, what I love about it is it's very simple. We're looking at just 2% cash back on all purchases. Very straightforward. Doesn't matter whether it's groceries, gas, hotels, doesn't matter. $99 a year fee. Now, I believe that there's no way to get that waived, but let me know in the comment section if you've got a hack. And then finally, you as well get insurance coverage plus you get extended warranties. Again, if you want further details on any of these cards, I'm going to throw it for you in the video description down below. But let's talk about what's the difference realistically between these cards that Matt's laid out that include, say, around $100 fee versus the cards that you can get for absolutely free that we did in the previous credit card video. Well, really, it's going to come down to your spending volume. Are you spending more than $10,000 a year on your credit card? If so, you're probably going to be better served by going with one of these premium credit cards that does include a fee. But if you're only spending $5,000 or less per year on your credit card, then in most cases, you're going to be much better served by just getting that simple, free card with no fees whatsoever. Well, that's it for this video. Dive in that comment section and let me know. What credit cards do you think I missed? What credit cards do you think we should talk about in future videos? And just in general, do you guys want me talking about more personal finance content? I'd love to get your feedback in that comment section. If you want more personal finance content geared towards Canadian, again, leave me a Canadian flag, a thumbs up, or a hey there, buddy.
I'm not your buddy, friend. He's not your friend, guy.
Whatever you want to do, but let us know that our Canadian viewers are enjoying this content series. Until next time, remember, there's more than enough money in this world for us to all make it, but if you're not saving it, I mean, like, what's the point? Thanks, guys.